This is Octagon Wire Harness production base, specialized in R&D manufacturing of various wire harnesses. Our products meet EU and North American standards and hold multiple authoritative certifications. We not only have a diverse product range but also provide customized solutions. From design to production, we meet personalized needs and deliver high reliability products. We are equipped with complete automated production lines. Automated processes guarantee production precision and efficiency. We have complete professional inspection, equipment covering full dimensional testing of wire harnesses, from appearance to performance, laying a solid foundation for quality control. Our quality inspectors and technicians collaborate to ensure every wire harness achieves high precision transmission, strong anti-interference, high safety, and extreme environment resistance. Our wire harnesses have excellent performance in signal transmission, high precision collection, high frequency transmission, and double shielding for anti-interference. For electrical performance, stable power supply, low resistance design, and resistance to high voltage and large current. In environmental adaptability, resistance to high-low temperatures, corrosion, and IP68 water. Dust protection for durability, where vibration resistance, anti-aging, and longer service life. Focus on connection and drive. Octagon Precision Mold Co. Ltd. provides high-performance wire harness products and solutions globally.